Hello everyone and welcome back to another video with me, Alyssa J. Today I am doing a slime unboxing from Parakeet Slimes, aka Marissa. I am so excited, and if you can't tell, I am doing a voiceover because I was way too excited when I was opening this and I probably could not make coherent words and sentences for you guys. So now I'm just doing a voiceover explaining what was in the package and my completely honest opinions and thoughts. So first off, I got this little candy that I have not tried yet, but it is super cute. These little hands that you can put on your fingers, and I will show you later on what that looks like, and then 3 slimes. So first off, I have her Peppa Pig slime, or at least that's what I think it's called. I am 99% sure. And it had that little charm. I think it's what you put on your Crocs, I think. And that's so cute. I believe this is called Sour Blue Raspberry Limeade. And then the last one, the most iconic slime ever, is cereal milk slime. I also got her business card, which is so professional, and a cute little extras bag with some fake sprinkles. I also got some borax as well to reactivate slimes if I needed to. So first I went into Peppa Pig slime, or I'm 99% sure that's what she calls it, but it is super glossy, as you can see. It was a little bit hard to get out of the container because it was a little sticky, but I just, put in some borax activator, which it was totally expected because I do live in Canada and shipping does take a while to get to me. So I just had to activate the slime, and I used a borax and water solution just like her card suggested, and it did take a while. And there was a little piece of debris in the slime. I'm not sure what it was, but I just took it out. That's totally fine. It's, she packages hundreds upon hundreds of slimes, and I totally understand. I just took it out and started playing with the slime. This one is probably my least favorite out of the 3, but I really liked the texture because it was glossy and clicky, and foam beads were really pretty, but I didn't love the scent of this one particularly. It just wasn't my favorite, but I really loved the texture once I had activated it. Next, I have Sour Blue Raspberry Limeade. It's a long name, I know, but it totally smells amazing. I loved it so much. Once I opened it, it has like a kind of fruity scent it reminded me of. I am not sure what Sour Blue Raspberry Limeade is, but it smelled really good. And I don't know what it is in real life, but this scent was amazing, and this texture kind of reminded me more like the cereal milk texture, and it was the thick slime I was expecting. In comparison to Peppa Pig, this one was definitely a lot more thick, and it wasn't as stretchy, which is to be expected, but in comparison to Peppa Pig, it didn't need as much activator, and it was really fun to play with. If you guys would like me to do more slime reviews, please comment down below different shops you would like me to buy slime from, and I will definitely buy them and review them. I love trying out new slimes and supporting other small businesses. Out of the 3 slimes, this one was definitely my favorite. It was a nice medium between the cereal milk and Peppa Pig, in my opinion, and I will get into more why I like this one more than cereal milk, but I like that this one didn't need as much activator as Peppa Pig, and that the texture was thick. It was really thick, but it was also pretty stretchy for its thickness, and the smell was just amazing. I love this scent. It was my favorite out of all the slimes I purchased. Lastly, I have cereal milk slime, and this slime is so thick, so glossy. I've been waiting so long to get my hands on this slime. I always hear Marissa talking about it because it's her #1 bestseller, her most iconic slime ever, and I have just been dying to try it out. And I was so excited to get it, and it is just as thick as she says. It's so thick and glossy and clicky, and it's super fun to squish, but it's not that stretchy. In my opinion, at least, because it is so thick. I guess it can't be as stretchy, which is one of the drawbacks, but I love this slime regardless. But that's probably why I like Sour Blue Raspberry Limeade a little bit more, because it's That one's thick and stretchy, whereas this one's more just thick and semi-stretchy, which is perfectly alright. It's still an amazing slime, and I totally recommend that you guys go check out Marissa's shop. I will have it linked down below. Just so I let you guys know, I did purchase this slime with my own money. I DM'd her and asked her if I could have some random slimes from her next restock, and she said of course, and I paid her, and she sent me these 3 slimes, and I love them. I am so happy I could get my hands on them, and I definitely want some more. The scent of cereal milk is really similar to Peppa Pig, in my opinion, or at least that's what I smelt when I smelt the 2, and it's not my absolute favorite scent. I really loved Sour Blue Raspberry Limeade much more, so that's probably why I would rank them as my favorite, being Sour Blue Raspberry Limeade, then cereal milk, then Peppa Pig. And just to recap, I like Sour Blue Raspberry Limeade the most because of its amazing scent and the texture of the foam beads. Second, I like cereal milk because it is so thick and so fun to play with. It makes amazing bubble pops, and it's so fun to poke and play with. Like, I could not put this slime down. Also, lastly, I have Peppa Pig. It's really glossy and pokeable and fun to play with, but it just took a while to activate, and it's just a little bit stickier than the others, and I can't get it to be the perfect texture that is not as sticky that I really like, but it's definitely still an awesome slime, and I recommend that you go check out Marissa's account on Instagram, Parakeet Slimes, and her shop, Parakeet Slimes, on Etsy. Here I'm just goofing around with the little hands that Marissa sent me. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!